everybody, and welcome to Fat Cat Gaming. In today's video, we're going to go to the New England Patriot, and I am going to create a 59 overall rated Tom Brady. We're going to give him superstar development trait, and we're going to see if he can't take his team to a Super Bowl eventually. So, peace out. Let me get everything set up, and I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. We're back here at the main screen. I got Tom Brady set up as a 59 overall roster. Let's go ahead and check him out real quickly. I'm not exactly sure what all the rating Tom Brady, but he is 59 here. 60 speed, 60 acceleration, 70 agility rating, 64 strength, awareness 73, throw power 92, short throw accuracy 70, 73, 70. And then throwing the run, tough rookies would probably still have a little tough time early on. Not like Pat Mahomes, where he just seemed to get it right away. But, this is him. And then throwing the pressure, 59. So that brings him down to a 59. I think he still has his superstar Xfactor. There we go. So he is a superstar Xfactor. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead and see if there's any free agent on here to help out the team a little bit to get Tom Brady. I'm going to go ahead and sign Mike Daniel. Yep, there we go. And Eric Berry, he's good enough for the game. Try to get Tom Brady his first Super Bowl as a rookie. William Hayes, nah. We get him some wide receiver. There we go. Doug Bryant. And you know what? Nice young tight end. Gonna need some drop down passes. And let's see, anybody else? Get Blunt. Yeah, let's bring. I think he was a Patriot, wasn't he? Let's bring him back to the Patriot. And most of these guys might be cut. And let me see. Quarterback, wide receiver. See any good wide receiver that could help him out. Get some speed guy. And Martavius Bryant. There we go. Alright, let's check out Tom Brady's roster to start. And we got the roster. That quarterback, I made sure he was the highest rated quarterback. Hopefully the game doesn't trade him away for another quarterback. But we got Tom Brady, 59. And James White, Tony Michael, Garrett Blunt. So Blunt, nice power guy, probably be able to come in third down short. There we go. Fullback, wide receiver, the Julian Edelman, Josh Gordon, Des Bryant, Demaryius Thomas. It looked like we didn't need anybody else. So tight end, he's second man that we signed, Benjamin Watson. We got some good tight end, left tackle, 73, 84, Joey David, Shaq Manson, and Marcus Cannon. Okay line, we could definitely use better line. We got Michael Bennett, the left end, Mike Daniels, right end, defense tackle, Lawrence Guy starting, and Danny Shelton. Yeah, we could probably use some linebacker to help this defense out. And we got Stephon Gilmore, Jason McCourty, and Jonathan Jones leading the CB pack. Devin McCourty leading the free safety. And Eric Berry, the free agent we just signed, leading the strong safety pack. And of course, this guy, Stephon, kicker. I can't remember how his last name go. And punter Ryan Allen. And we got some draft picks throughout the year. Let's see if we can't get Tom Brady a Super Bowl win. Probably not the first year, so I'm go ahead, man, if I can just figure it out. Advanced week, then let's go ahead and sim to playoff. Sim ahead, and I'll be right back in just a second. Alrighty, we're back here at the end of the season. Look like our team rating gone up a little bit. So that's good. Just hopefully the computer didn't trade away Tom Brady. Let's go take a look at my list. Let's see. I gotta figure out these new menus. There we go. Stats. Let's see how. Ooh, Tom Brady first in the NFL was 4,700. Oh my goodness. 4,742 yards, 399 pass completion, 592 attempt, 49 passing touchdown, and 12 interception. I was honestly not expecting that. Like, seriously. Let's see. Let's go check out all the NFL. So, we came in ahead of Matt Ryan by around close to 200. That's close enough. 33 yards. So we got 49, 40, 38, 37. He got some interception. Is he the most? Nope. Still not the most. There we go. Tom Brady doing pretty good. First in offensive yard. 29th in defense. So our defense kind of sucked. Maybe that's why we had so many points. Because our defense couldn't keep them off the other team's offense off the field. Check out the yearly award. And Tom Brady and he's 99 overall. Did he just increase 40 points in 1 year? Like, or was this a glitch in the game? Cause I know it was 59 overall. Look at my team. I mean, you guys saw me put him at the superstar ability increase you to 99 overall almost immediately. He got 99 wins, 67 carry, ball carry. That's just excuse me. That just doesn't make any sense. I guess Superstar Xfactor really improved here. Rating progression history. Let's see. Wish I could see all 14, but you know, he's increasing. 4 upgrade, 1 upgrade. Wow. So Superstar Xfactor is insane in this game. Look how fast he increased to 99 overall, 40 overall rating points in 1 year, won the Super Bowl MVP. So I guess we probably made the playoffs, didn't we? Done it. Advanced week. Next week. If we win the playoffs, in 1 year, Tom Brady was Superstar Xfactor, so we're going to be playing the Browns, 10-5-1, go ahead and advance week. See if Tom Brady can win the Super Bowl in the first year as a superstar. We won. We beat the Browns. Alright, let's advance week and see if we can't get to the conference championship. Let's go. We made it to the Super Bowl. There we go. Tom Brady, first year as a 21-year-old. Started off with a 59 Superstar Xfactor, and somehow he managed to get his team to the Super Bowl. I don't know if there's some kind of glitch in the game, but you know what? You guys saw me have him at 59 overall to begin, so let's go ahead and advance. Let's just go ahead and play full game. We'll super sim it real quick. Alright, we got 83 overall versus 83 overall. Ready? There you go. Head on into the game. I'm not going to play it, but we'll just sim it real quick. And let's see, we can't take on the New Orleans Saints of the NFL. Now, if anybody else wants to try this, please try this. I want to know if there's the same, if you guys get the same result. A 59 overall with the Superstar Xfactor going all the way to 99. That's just like crazy. And where's the sim? Super sim. There we go. Custom play, jump forward, and a game. And then I need, it's already, at least it starts default fast. New England 14-7, New England scored field goal. New England take the lead. Tom Brady brings them back 21-17. Can they do it? New Orleans takes up. Tom Brady back. Tom Brady, come on. New Orleans, it's a thriller. 31-31, 31-34. Come on, Tom Brady. 34-34. Overtime. And Tom Brady leads his team to the championship in overtime. Wow. I was not expecting that. Woo! Tom Brady, year one, 59 overall rated. Quarterback, the Superstar Xfactor, managed to take his team to the Super Bowl in year one. That's just crazy. That is just crazy. I was expecting him to do this for like 3, 4, 5 seasons and maybe get to the playoffs. I did not expect this. What do you guys think? Make sure you comment below in the comment below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. If you got any other challenge like this, let me know what you guys want to see. This is my first Madden 20 video. Well, one of my first ones. I got a couple other ones coming out too. But yeah, Tom Brady, NFL Super Bowl, year one. Game. Peace out. And yeah.